Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to block pop-ups in MI browser on your phone. Pop-ups can be annoying and interrupt your browsing experience. First, unlock your phone and open the MI browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, scroll down through the settings menu and look for the advanced options. Once you find advanced, tap on it to open additional settings. Finally, turn on the option labeled Block Pop-ups to prevent unwanted pop-up windows while browsing. Now your MI browser is set to block pop-ups, and you can enjoy a more seamless and distraction-free browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.